The Meclift ML1612R is a compact variable reach truck with a lifting capacity of 16 tons at load centre of 1,200 mm. Characteristic to the machine is that it is the biggest machine on the market by lifting capacity that fits inside the container. Due to the innovative design of the lifting equipment, you can load containers and handle them with the same machine. The ML1612R is able to handle 20-foot containers from lifting pockets and stack them up to 3 high. It is equipped with a hydraulically movable cabin, which enables excellent visibility even while handling bulky objects. Also, the movable cabin in lowered position enables the machine to operate fully inside the container. This makes it easy to load even 40-foot containers with heavy objects from the back end. For leasing purposes, it is useful that you can pack a fully operational ML1612R into a 20-foot container, making it very easy to transport to different locations.